Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best cheap exercise bike is probably one of the most sought-after fitness equipment for budget-conscious individuals who are looking to improve their cardiovascular health and overall fitness without breaking the bank. This video will dive into the top picks for cheap exercise bikes, examining their features, build quality, and overall value to help you find the perfect machine to suit your needs and fitness goals, all while staying within a reasonable budget. We will look at factors such as adjustability, resistance levels, comfort, and durability to ensure you get the most out of your purchase. Number 5. XTERRA Folding Exercise Bike. This bike is perfect for home workouts. Its space-saving design makes it ideal for smaller apartments or those who want to easily store it away. It features a sturdy X-frame that ensures stability during your workouts. Plus, it folds compactly for easy storage. Experience ultimate comfort with its large, anatomically designed seat and multi-position handlebars. It's designed to keep you comfortable during even the longest rides. The clear LCD display shows all your workout stats, including speed, distance, time, calories burned, and pulse. Track your progress easily. It offers 8 levels of resistance, allowing you to customize your workout intensity. Adjust the resistance quickly and easily with the large manual dial. It's built to last and support users up to 225 pounds. Enjoy a reliable and durable workout companion. What we like? It folds away easily for small spaces and has a comfy seat. If you need a simple, space-saving bike with adjustable resistance, this is a great option. It's perfect for apartment dwellers or those with limited storage. What people say. The instructions were very easy to read and understandable, which is a rarity these days. Most of the nuts and bolts were already pre-mounted on the bike, which made it very easy to put together. Wrenches and screwdrivers were included. The pictures were accurate with the right numbering. Elapsed assembly time was about 45 minutes, including chatting about how easy the bike was to assemble. This thing is ridiculously quiet. I've owned this same exact model before and this one was, well, the exact same. I put a lot of miles on the old one I had, and it stood the test of time. The seat is fairly large, and I find it very uncomfortable, but also see it's pretty easy to just unbolt and put something else on. The bike is surprisingly quiet for the most part. Number 4. Himaly Under Desk Bike. It combines arm and leg exercises with adjustable resistance. This lets you target different muscle groups and customize your workout intensity for upper and lower body training. You can easily adjust the resistance to match your fitness level and workout goals. This makes it perfect for various exercise intensities and durations. The LCD screen shows your time, count, calories burned, and distance covered. A scan function cycles through all the measurements, so you can easily track your progress. It's compact and lightweight, measuring just 15.9 by 12.5 by 7.4 inches and weighing only 8 pounds. You can use it at home, in the office, or even outdoors. It comes with all the necessary accessories and assembles in minutes without any tools. The anti-slip pedals ensure a secure and comfortable workout. Remember, the right pedal uses a standard thread, and the left pedal has a reverse thread. Tighten the pedals according to the arrows on the pedals for a secure fit. What we like? This mini bike is super portable and easily adjusts to different fitness levels. If you're looking for a compact, versatile option for arm and leg workouts, this is it. It's ideal for small spaces and on-the-go workouts. Number 3. ATIVAFIT Folding Exercise Bike. It folds away easily for compact storage. 7 adjustable seat heights ensure a comfortable ride, and smooth rolling wheels make it easy to move around your home. It features 8 adjustable magnetic resistance levels for a customizable workout. The magnetic drive is quieter than other types, perfect for apartments or shared spaces. This indoor bike boasts a robust alloy steel frame, providing stability and support for users up to 265 pounds. The easy-to-read LCD display tracks your time, speed, calories burned, and pulse, keeping you motivated and informed. It's ideal for home workouts, offering convenience and efficiency. Start your fitness journey today and reach your fitness goals. What we like? This bike folds up neatly and is whisper quiet, perfect for shared spaces. If you want a quiet, versatile bike that's easy to store, this is a top choice. It's great for apartments or shared homes. What people say. It is a bit heavy but not too bad. I got this all together in about 40 minutes. The instructions are pretty clear. I like that it doesn't take up very much space, folded and unfolded, easy to maneuver, and easy to fold and unfold. The bike seems solid while I was using it. Very easy to assemble. Surprisingly sturdy for its price. Quiet, doesn't make any noise at all, other than the display beeping when it turns on. Relatively lightweight and easy to store, not an eyesore if you store in the corner of a room. Assembly, super easy to assemble. I did it by myself in about 45 minutes and a lot of it was already put together. Noise level, very quiet. You can't hear it cycling, and I don't think it rocks back and forth, so downstairs neighbors don't hear anything but me rolling the bike to where I want to use it or store it. Effectiveness, great. I like the tension levels and all of the modes on the machine except for the heart rate part, and I don't pay attention to the calories. I get a great workout in and can feel my legs getting stronger. Number 2. YOSUDA Folding Exercise Bike. For 2 decades, we've been crafting exercise equipment for families. This folding bike is the latest result of that commitment to quality and innovation. It uses a magnetic resistance system, so it's incredibly quiet. Enjoy a peaceful workout without disturbing others, perfect for apartments or shared spaces. It offers 8 resistance levels, from beginner to advanced. Find the perfect challenge, no matter your fitness level. The oversized seat and anti-slip pedals ensure a comfortable workout. It's designed to support you through every session. The large screen displays time, distance, calories burned, and your heart rate. Stay motivated and see your results clearly. It folds up easily and has transport wheels. It's simple to store and move around, making it perfect for smaller homes. We're committed to your satisfaction. Our customer service team is available to answer your questions and handle any issues promptly. What we like? It's whisper quiet and offers a wide range of resistance levels for all fitness levels. If you value a smooth, quiet workout with adjustable intensity, this is the bike for you. It's perfect for apartment living and various fitness goals. What people say. It is comfortable, very quiet, sturdy, good-looking and does not take up too much space. I also like that it is foldable. It's lightweight and can be easily moved and it's completely silent. Several nice features that show calories burned, distance traveled, time, etc. The plushly padded seat and backrest is very comfortable. The handlebars on this bike can be attached so that no back bending or stretching is necessary to child onto them. You can also hold on to the horizontal bars next to the seat, in which case you can pedal while actually leaning back into the padded backstop. Number 1. YOSUDA Recumbent Exercise Bike. It's been designed and produced by a company with 20 years of experience and has served over 3 million families. This makes it a reliable and trustworthy fitness partner. Protect your joints with this recumbent bike, designed with rehab professionals to be gentle on your body. It's perfect for seniors, people with injuries, or those looking for a low-impact workout. Easily adjust the seat to find the perfect fit. It accommodates users of various heights, ensuring comfort and proper legroom for everyone. Enjoy a quiet workout that won't disturb others. It's easy to integrate into your daily routine, watch TV, read, or work while you exercise. This bike is built with a sturdy, durable frame that can support up to 350 pounds. It's built for stability and safety, ensuring a reliable workout experience. It comes mostly pre-assembled, and clear instructions and videos make setup a breeze. You'll be exercising in no time. With 16 resistance levels, it provides a challenging workout for all fitness levels, from beginners to advanced users. You can easily adjust the intensity to meet your needs. The padded seat and backrest provide comfort and support for your back and spine, making your workouts more enjoyable and helping you stay consistent with your fitness goals. What we like? This recumbent bike is designed for comfort and supports a high weight capacity. If you prioritize comfort and joint support during your workouts, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for seniors or those with joint issues. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.